Hello, zombies. Oh my gosh, that's so cringy. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Karen Michelle. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So from the cringy intro, maybe you can guess what I'm doing today. If you haven't guessed yet, I'm going to be turning myself into a Zombae. So a lot of you are probably wondering, what is a Zombae? Now, unless you're fans of Glam Gore, like I am, you wouldn't know what a Zombae is, but basically,
hello, zombies!
Today I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial, turning myself into a, I guess you could say, quote, hot zombie. Now, I'm not saying even special effects makeup can make me hot. That's not what I'm saying. I am giving you a tutorial on how to make yourself into a hot zombie. So even though all the special effects makeup in the world cannot make me hot, I can at least give a tutorial on how to make you hot. But either way, you're probably also thinking, what the heck is a hot zombie? That is what you are going to stay for, to have the question answered for you in video format. What is a hot zombie? Well, you're about to find out what a hot zombie is. I mean, you could probably guess what it is. It's dressing up in a hoochie outfit for Halloween and then like doing a zombie face. But I am putting a little twist on my zombie makeup because obviously I said Mikey is my inspiration since she calls all of us zombies. And once a week out of these Halloween tutorials, so you will have 4 total, I am going to specifically take inspiration from a beauty guru and do a look based on whatever I'm inspired from that beauty guru or even YouTuber, whatever influencer I decide on. And given the fact that Mikey kind of inspired me to do this entire month of Halloween, I am going to feature her first. So hopefully she sees this video. Like, comment, retweet, share it, you know. So the little twist I'm going to be doing is I'm going to have a playlist in the description below of the different tutorials that I kind of took inspiration from to create the look that you will get at the end of this video. Alright, so I need to stop talking and we need to go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and I will appreciate you forever. And if you ever want to contact me, you can always do so through Instagram or my Twitter. Thank you. First, I think we're going to apply our prosthetics. Now, some of this video will be a voiceover and some of it will be me actually talking. The problem with me talking through a lot of these tutorials and not doing a voiceover is that I end up getting very scatterbrained, and as a result, you'll end up getting me telling a story, but I'm literally just like brushing my eye through a 10-minute story time, you know, and you're here for a tutorial, not a 10-minute story. So yeah. So here I am in voiceover form. Now I'm just trying on a few different prosthetics that I bought at Walmart. You can also buy these same things at the Halloween store. However, I found Walmart to be the cheapest place to buy literally the same things you buy at the Halloween store. I'm going to do some type of like ripped cheek type look.
Then I am laying down a thin layer of liquid latex and I'm going to start putting cotton down on top. We are working in thin strips because the first thing that I'm making is the slits in the side of the cheeks.
Obviously my cheek slits are a lot smaller than hers. You can go in whatever creative direction you would like and do whatever size cheek slits you would like. And then I went ahead and put the liquid latex over the cotton of the cheek slits. And the whole idea behind the zombie look for my face, I didn't really have an idea as I was doing it, and most of the time you won't. But as I started to put it together, I had the idea of I wanted to kind of make it look like a zombie came and just clawed at my face, clawed out my eyeballs. So then I went and put cotton around the that half of my face and then sealed it with liquid latex, and basically those are going to be my scratch and pustule marks later. And then I went and put cosmetic glue around the edges of the prosthetic where the eyeball is obviously smaller than my actual eye, and then I sealed it with liquid latex, and I didn't do a very clean job because it's a zombie, so it's obviously gonna look crusty and dusty, but you at least want to make it look like it is attached to you. You definitely do not want to do such a horrible job that it's obvious. Then you're going to get your foundation and just basically go over your entire face just like you would when you're doing your own makeup, and make sure to go over the latex as well and get into those crevices and whatnot. Now remember, we'll go in later with the zombie palette and, you know, put the color to it and all that. So on the other half of my face, I basically just applied makeup like I normally would have if I was like going out, and I used the Rose Gold palette by Huda Beauty, and I did a basic smoky eye, gold lid, winged look, just a very basic girl, I feel like basic look for any girl. And I found the biggest eyelash I possibly could find and made sure to wear that, because you really want the other side of your face to really stick out as far as like, I don't know, just kind of like makeup wise, just making it look very stunning, like you just really went out with your makeup and then a zombie just came in and clawed out your eyeball and you're like, no, I'm still gonna party, so forget this, just look at this side of my face. So I kind of tried to like apply makeup on the other side, but it was a no-go. So now we are going in with the zombie palette that I bought again at Walmart. It came with 4 different colors. I'm now using the black to go into all the little holes that I see that I'm going to then cover with blood. So anything you're going to put blood, put black underneath that. And then I went in my eyeball and made sure to put a lot of black there, because obviously there's going to be a lot of blood there. And as you can see, there's a little black veil, and that's so you can see it, like see through it. But now I'm going in with the green and yellow. It was green, yellow, and I think purple, and then black. So now I'm going in with the green and yellow colors, going around, just making it look like a zombie just came in, and it's slowly spreading to the other side of my face. Blood, and I'm going in the little crevices with the scab blood. And I also got this idea from Glam Gore, because she did this zombie tutorial and she had a lot better of a method of applying that. Then I put a thing of blood, like an actual drop of blood, on my eyeball. I'm using liquid latex. Do not use liquid latex. Let me just repeat. She has a safe mixture that she used. I will link the video below. I'll link the entire playlist below that kind of gave me inspiration. But so just like I said, don't use liquid latex. Use whatever she suggested to use, and obviously have your parents help you. Don't try to do this yourself if you are under a certain age and it's obvious that you could possibly poison yourself if you try to put liquid latex on your lips. Just don't do it, kids. I know I did it, but I did it for the video, okay? And yeah, this is my zombie look that was inspired by Glam Gore.
I'm completely shook looking in the mirror at this look. It came out so much better than I thought it would be. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Also, again, I want to say be sure to have your parents help you with this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my video, and like I said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Tag Glam Gore. I really would love for her to see this video. This is my Zombae look, and I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye-bye!